Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, creators alike, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to put audio into CapCut, so let's get into it. What you want to do over on the top left hand side is you can see that there is a import right at the top left. You're going to tap on that and make sure it says device, and here you want to tap on import. Now what you can actually do here is go to the space that you are keeping all the audio on your device, and you want to go ahead and click on it and click on open. Now you've added it to CapCut, right? Now to add this to your project, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the plus button over here at the top, or you can simply click down and drag it to the exact position that you want it to be. Right, so this is now where my audio is, and I've now imported it into my timeline. One of the other things that you can do is go up to audio on the top left, and there is a bunch of stock audio that you can use. And then the last way you can do this is going ahead, tapping on import, choosing a video that actually has audio on it, and tap on open. You can now take this video, put it over here on your timeline above your main track, right click and click on extract audio, and now you have the audio from that clip, and you can just go on to delete the actual clip that you've extracted the audio from. I've now shown you 3 ways to put audio in CapCut. If you want to learn more about CapCut, go ahead, drop us a big old thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.